Save Club. Holy crap. You're probably looking into joining, aren't you? You just need that final push. Maybe watch that video that might give you enough confidence to spend 20 bucks because that's what it's going to cost you. It's a $20 bill. If you'd like to give 30 days of your life of whenever you have spare time, going online and searching planet Earth to see if there's something that you're going to buy that might be in the back office of Save Club. And how nice would it be if you're going to go to a restaurant or take a Lyft to the airport, because Lyft is in the back office. Get a flight. There's flights. You're going to go somewhere, let's say Miami. You need a hotel in Miami for the one night, and then you're going to go on a cruise. Save Club saves you money on all that. It also saves you money on a ton of other things, including automotive, health, beauty, getting haircuts, washing your car, going to Home Depot, going to Lowe's, buying your mom maybe something nice, or flowers, 1-800-Flowers. It's Memorial Day weekend as I produce this video. There's an insane amount of savings already. And if you're watching me live right now or close to May 24th, this opportunity is not even at a pre-launch until June 1st of 2025. So if you're watching me right now, May 24th, you need to join if you're going to be an affiliate. If you want to earn money, you need to join now because there's only a few thousand people that are only affiliates. That means your better chance of signing someone up that is in a group of people on your block or your bowling league or in your city. There might be a lot of people in your state, your country, or in another country across the ocean. Because when you only have a handful of people signed up in the beginning, your chance of getting people to sign up underneath you is dramatically higher, right? We're in pre-launch now. We have about 6 more days, a little less than a week. And by June 1st, I think you're going to start seeing more about Save Club. Might be on, something like Sirius XM. Could be on Fox. It could be on, the radio, your favorite radio program. Obviously, everybody's attention is right here on these darn things. Yep, that's right. Cell phones. Save Club. What is that? Maybe I need to look into this thing. I've heard of Groupon and all these other saving opportunities, but why is Save Club so cool? Well, our savings are going to be more substantial than Groupon, and they're going to be fresh, and they're going to be right in your face. Also, they're going to be worldwide. So, of course, we're going to go up to Canada, Mexico, across to the UK, Asia, Africa, down to Brazil, Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea. Yes, even Hawaii, our little piece of dirt where everyone's getting a tan right now in umbrella drinkies with little skirts on doing the hula. All right? But in the next year, there's going to be probably 1 million people sign up, and there's going to be millions of deals. It's going to be fresh. It's always going to be up to date. But what sets us apart from, let's say, Groupon, which is, it's a household name, right? There's an affiliate side. All right, where's my 320s? Who has $320 bills? I do, because I spent this much money, and I got me a website, and I got me a capture page where you can watch a video, and you can make a decision. Do I want to join for 20 bucks and just enjoy saving probably 50 to 100 to 200 bucks for that 20? Or would I like to maybe invest another 60 and get a full-blown website and a capture page where not only can I enjoy savings on things I'm already buying, but I can invite people just to look into the opportunity and get paid? My results, I've averaged about, the next time I get paid, I'll have about $4,000 in my pocket. So I've averaged about 4,000 bucks in 4 weeks. I've saved currently 950. I'm trying to save 50 more bucks, but I don't want to go out of my way to try to buy something that I don't need. I'm genuinely just buying things, and I look and see if I can somehow use Save Club to save me money. And when I can, awesome. Tires has been my biggest savings by far. Discount tire. Purple mattress is number 2. And of course, I go eat now and then I have a couple car washes that save me 17 bucks, but it's all added up to about 950. I saved 950. I'm averaging, and what I did is I went to the bank, and it still blows me away because when you actually put $1,000 cash in your hand, it blows your mind away that amount right there I have saved on things that I needed to buy. Those dang tires for my truck and my Hummer, I had to get them. I just had to. They're at the point where it was embarrassing. So I saved this much on things I'm buying anyway, all because of these things here, these 320s. I was smart enough to say, I got to be an affiliate. I think I'm going to make videos and just invite people to Save Club. And boy, for 20 bucks, oh my gosh, one $20 bill for me to save $9.50 by spending a 20, by me earning $1,000 a week, $4,000 by spending $79.97. I spent 60 bucks, those 320s, plus another $19.97 because that's what the membership is. So if you told me you're going to make $4,000, you're going to save $950, all by spending $79.97, I would have said, wait, what? Then my funnel system came into my life. That has already made me another $800 besides being an affiliate, and it's recurring. That means next month I got another $800. And if I sign up more people in the funnel system, it's going to be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Right now at the pace that I'm doing, I can see my recurring income anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 to $5,000 per month just by spending $19.97. I want to be a member. I want to save money on things I'm already buying. That's a no-brainer. I already spent the $60 and I made it back like the first day that I made my first video. I had like 5-6 people sign up and I get 20 bucks a pop. So there was 120 bucks I got back by spending $79.97. And then on top of that, I got this beautiful funnel system which pays me 20 bucks. So if you do get the funnel, thank you. I do make 20. And if you like it every month, please use it. I can't imagine not having my funnel system, especially with the results I'm getting where I got 11 people signed up by going through saveclubfunnels.com. I let the funnel do everything. The 20-minute video over explains Save Club so nicely, there's nothing left for me to say. Even the compensation plan, which is a pain in the ass. But when you figure it out, you figure it out. And besides, when you get paid every Friday with Save Club, the computer figures out everything anyway. It's not that hard. You guys will definitely like it. You'll trust me. Otherwise, you wouldn't see me doing videos. When I get paid, I'm smiling. So thank you, Save Club, for the $4,000. Thank you for the $950 savings. And thank you to my funnel system for earning me right now about 800 extra bucks just in a week, by the way, because the funnel system, it's the only funnel system out. So talk about just kicking ass and taking names. Boy, that Save Club funnels right there. That's a powerful funnel. I think you'll like it. Go to saveclubfunnels.com and just check it out. Just put your email address right in there and read here. Hit that little yellow button. Watch the 20-minute video right here. And if you haven't joined Save Club yet, hit this red button on the left. And if you've already joined Save Club, then just get the funnel for 25 bucks. Just click the red button. It's a little bit of chit chat on this video here, just to make sure you want it. And then boom, Save Club funnel. Go ahead and do it. 25 bucks. And like I said, I make 20 bucks. Thank you. I just want to be humbly very grateful for that 20 bucks because I'm going to go probably buy some Hot Wheels and put them on my wall. All right, when you get our team training, when you get to this page, oh boy, sit down because it is a powerful team. We got a couple Facebook invite-only pages. We have done for you videos for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, any social media platform. We help you a lot. There's 3 live Zoom meetings just with Save Club. And there's a lot of other live videos and team presentations, Q&As, and everything else that you're going to need. But I really do think you need the funnel system. I hope you look into it. I really do. All you can do is just click, check them out. And if you like what you see, they're very affordable. Nothing I do is expensive. So just go ahead, take your time, look around, look at other Facebook groups, look at other YouTube channels about any type of reviews with Save Club. But I think you're going to enjoy joining. I really do. 30 days ago, boy, am I happy I ran into this. It's been a game changer for me financially, and it's been a lot of fun too. I've already met just outstanding people. So anyway, I'm at my 10-minute mark. I hope you like what you see, okay? Go ahead and click these links. And if you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, just email me. And I probably already have the answers to whatever you need. And on top of that, why don't we just go ahead and end the video right now? So thank you for your time, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will definitely talk to you guys next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.